Hello everyone, this is Dr. Dipayan Das. Welcome to the Healers. Today we are going to discuss some common reasons for hair loss in females, and in the end of the video I will share some homeopathy medicines which we have found to be very useful in our practice for controlling hair loss. Also, we will be discussing certain procedures which are found to be very much beneficial for betterment of hair density also. There are numerous reasons for which women might experience hair loss. Anything from medical conditions to hormonal changes to stress to even crash dieting may be the main culprits. Hair loss may present in different types depending on the cause. Gradual thinning on top of the head is the most common type of hair loss which affects both men and women. In case of women, mostly there is widening of the central partition of hair. Medical conditions like androgenetic alopecia, where there is family history of hair loss, can cause female pattern baldness. Alopecia areata, which can cause reversible hair fall in patches. Cicatricial alopecia is such a condition which creates irreversible hair loss through scarring. Traumatic alopecia is such a kind of hair loss which happens due to blow drying, straightness, and certain chemical treatments which are nowadays randomly done in spas and parlors. Some health conditions like hypothyroidism, Hodgkin's disease, hypopituitarism, hyperthyroidism, Hashimoto's condition, even diabetes mellitus are found to increase hair loss in females. Hormonal imbalances due to polycystic ovarian syndrome, uterine fibroid, and menopause also act as contributing factors which can create hair loss in females. In fact, in our practice, we have seen 18 out of 20 patients complain of polycystic ovary who have got hair loss. The rising professional and personal stress also add a lot to hair loss both in males and females. Poor eating habit, long intervals in diet, cutting down on meals, weight loss through crash dieting are very important factors which lead to hair loss in females. Do you know that wrong scalp management like applying oil in oily scalp can also create hair loss? Now I am going to share some homeopathic medicines which I have found to be useful in countering hair fall in females. For gradual thinning leading to widening of the central partition, medicines like Conia maculatum, Apis mel, Thuja can help, as such cases are found in patients with active family history of baldness or who have hormonal issues like polycystic ovarian syndrome. For thyroid related hair loss, thyroidinum is the most important remedy that we practice in our day-to-day life. For hair loss due to stress, homeopathy medicines like natrium, ignatia, califos can do wonders. In cases of hair loss due to poor eating habit, nutritional rectification is very important. In such cases, deficiency of iron and vitamin might lead to lots of hair fall, so getting appropriate pathological testing done and advising supplements in such cases are very necessary. However, homeopathy medicines like Ferromet, China can help in hair loss due to dietary deficiencies issues. Now, when we talk about hair loss, the most important question that pops up in a patient's mind is whether there is any way of hair regrowth. In conditions like alopecia areata, which create patchy hair loss, hair growth can be achieved by homeopathy medications only. In hair loss due to crash dieting, supplementation and homeopathy medicines can help in hair regrowth. In other conditions, only homeopathy medicines will not be sufficient for hair regrowth. Where there are live but diseased follicles, homeopathy medicines will control the disease. And we need to use latest technologies like dermapen and derma rollers which help in betterment of the follicles so that they start creating thicker, healthier hair. In case of complete follicular loss, only hair transplantation is advised. Hope that you like this video. Stay connected for the next video where we'll be seeing a live session of our hair regrowth process, which we called as hair revival. Thank you and stay healthy.